Withdrawing money from Plus 500 is a straightforward process. Here's how to do it. Log into your Plus 500 account. First, log into your account using your credentials on the Plus 500 platform. Navigate to the withdrawal section. On the platform, go to the funds or withdrawal section. This can typically be found in the account settings or under the balance tab. Choose your withdrawal method. Plus 500 supports various withdrawal methods, including credit or debit cards, bank transfers, and e-wallets like PayPal. Select the payment method that you use for depositing funds or choose another available option. Some withdrawal methods may incur fees, and you might need to withdraw to the same method you used for the initial deposit. Enter withdrawal amount. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Plus 500 has a minimum withdrawal limit, which may vary depending on the method you choose. Submit your request. Confirm the details and submit your withdrawal request. You may be asked to verify your identity if you haven't already done so. Wait for processing. Plus 500 typically processes withdrawals within 1 to 3 business days, but the time it takes to reach your account depends on the payment method. Confirmation. Once processed, you will receive a confirmation and the funds will be transferred to your account.